What if one small card could replace your cash, your keys, your IDs, and even your medical record? Chances are you already carry one. Hidden inside an ordinary looking card is a tiny microchip, and that chip has quietly reshaped how modern worlds work. This is the story of the smart card. It all begins in 1960s when the invention of the microchip revolutionized computers. But its true power emerged decades later when engineers realized they could turn a simple plastic card into a secure digital brain. In the mid 1970s, two French inventors, Roland Moreno and Michael Hougon, embedded microchips into cards for the first time. By the early 1980s, these smart cards were being tested in French cities. The result was so successful that banks across Europe quickly adopted them. Unlike magnetic strips cards, which simply store data, smart cards process it. They are harder to copy, harder to steal from, and far more versatile. That difference changed everything. Across Europe, smart cards became part of everyday life, used for public transport, small purchase, and banking. Their impact was significant that European Union made them the standard for all future credit cards. The United States, however, held on to magnetic strip cards much longer, but those older cards were vulnerable to frauds, and that weakness became possible to ignore. Smart cards offered something magnetic strips never could: multiple identities in one object. A single card could function as a bank card, a phone card, an electronic wallet, and a security pass. It could store cash, log transaction, and control access to restricted areas. In other words, it wasn't just a card anymore. It was a digital key. Government agency quickly took notice. In the US, the Department of Defense issued smart card to millions of employees. Hospitals and healthcare systems soon follows. In healthcare is where smart card may matter most. In France, every citizen carry a smart card containing their complete medical history, blood types, allergies, current conditions, insurance details, all instantly accessible to doctors and pharmacists. In emergencies, seconds matters, and smart card saves those few seconds that could mean life or death. In the US, strict privacy law like HIPAA demands secure handling of medical data. Smart cards are now one of the most trusted solutions for protecting sensitive information while keeping it accessible when needed. There even changed how borders works. The US passport cards, small enough to fit in a wallet, contain a microchip linked to a government database, allowing secure identity verification at land and sea borders. And for millions of people, smart cards are the most viable in public transport. In Hong Kong, the octopus card is used every day on train, buses, ferries, parking garage, and even convenience stores. One card's endless uses. The smart card may not look impressive, but they're widely replacing money, keys, and identity itself. And the next time you tap a card to open a gate, pay for coffee, or confirm who you are, remember the future isn't coming. It may already exist in your pocket.